Hi there, my name's Madelaine. I'm from TNP Broadcast. We are just going to be going through a product called the P.Corder today and a bit more of what comes in its mobile kit. So we're firstly going to start off with, the P.Corder. As you can see here, very easy, very simple, neat piece of kit. Along the front, if you're looking, there's all the lights up just along here. I don't know how clear it is in the camera. Just to check your audio's going and everything's hooked up and working. There's also your USB, so everything that you'll be seeing in the presentation today will be, there's a USB that comes with the stick, so that can be saved straight away. The presentation, the audio, the visual will all be saved onto that USB stick and ready to rumble. Next, that's the Ethernet cable, which, as you know, this can go straight to your network, so lots of time saving using that. There's also, just looks very nice, very sexy. If we go to the back, there's two different sets of HDMI in and outs for connecting that up. Second bit that is actually the wireless microphone kit, which I have an ear hanger in. Transmitter just hooked there. Again, very easy, very simple. For the audio, and as you can hear, excellent quality. There is also, just down to preference, a handheld microphone, which comes with its own little holder as well. Just if you prefer just to have more of a hands-on, I suppose, audio. Also within the kit, the tripod for the camera, just so you can set that up nice and easily. It also comes with all the cables that you'll need and the connections and the case that it's beautifully presented in. I'll now be going over to the presentation just to give you a bit more detail if you look at your screen. So now we have, so you see it's a bit more of, you can see sort of the pick and pluck style. It's got all the sections that you'd need. I apologise, a bit tongue-tied. So all perfectly slotted, great for sort of putting in and flying away with it. So a bit more detail there. We have the LCD monitor, so you can actually have that up and see what you're presenting. So the screen that I'm looking at the moment has got myself on the left-hand side and the presentation on the right, which just makes it a bit easier to know what you're doing with it all. There's also, as I said, the handheld microphone, the microphone tripod, the LCD monitor, the power adapters for the camcorder and the actual P.Corder itself, and the still stand for the monitor. So it really does come with absolutely everything you could need in a very, very portable case. So we'll just move on to the next slide. So this is sort of more of the products that you can get with the P.Corder. As I said, if you look to the bottom left hand side, that's the pack for the wireless microphone. Then if you look to the top right, I apologise for jumping around a bit, is the P.Corder in a rack mount. So you can have it sort of freestanding and also rack mounted with the picture of the case and the LCD monitor and the remote that I have been switching templates with. So that's how I went from the widescreen that you saw at the beginning of the presentation to myself now in the left hand side with the presentation on the right. So this is a bit more information for you for the wireless transmitter. Really, really simple. If you can see the buttons sort of turn it up, turn it down, on and off. What more could you want? The earphone that really is a good microphone. You can hear, really easy to use and put on. This is Professor Epstein of the NHS Royal Free London Hospital, who was actually one of the first to get the kit in for his lectures. I hope today's been informative, and if you have any questions, do get in touch.